The new toy for my Camry has arrived. It's a carbon fiber steering wheel. Did you guess it right? In this video, watch me upgrade my Camry with a carbon fiber steering wheel, the full process. Beginning disassembly of the steering wheel. Now replacing steering wheel components. Getting ready to install my carbon fiber steering wheel. Installing the trim bezel. Transferring the trim onto the carbon fiber wheel. Organizing the wiring harness. Installing the steering wheel bolts. Reconnecting the airbag connector. Installation complete.